Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to fix your camera if it is not working on your iPhone. You may have experienced where you've just started an app, but the app does not let you use the camera. Nothing is appearing, or you get a message saying the camera is not available. Then you've come to the right video. There could be many reasons why your camera is not working, so let's go through these reasons. The first reason would be the app you're using is not allowed to use the camera. So this is a permission issue. To fix this issue, go into your Settings app, then scroll all the way down and find your app. Tap on the app and through the list, find Camera. Here, as you can see, you have a switch for camera. To toggle it on, make sure it is on the right hand side. This will allow it to use the camera. Following the same process, you can allow other apps to use the camera as well. Now, the next reason could be that something is covering your camera. Either it's your phone case, or sometimes people like to store their credit card in the case and it has come in the way. So have a thorough look at your front and your rear camera. Just make sure there's nothing there in front of the camera. Make sure it is clean. You can do this by taking a cloth and cleaning it. Now, the third reason could be that your iPhone needs resetting. You can do this by going to Settings, then General, then scroll down and tap on Transfer and Reset iPhone. Then select Reset All Settings. Make sure you've taken a backup of your iPhone before you do this. Lastly, if that does not work, I would recommend updating your phone to the latest iOS version. You can do this by going to Settings, General, and then Software Update. This will automatically look for any new updates for your iPhone. If all the mentioned workarounds does not work, then you need to book yourself an appointment to see Apple and get it repaired by them. And that is how to fix your camera if it is not working on your iPhone. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If this was helpful, then please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section down below if this worked for you. Please consider subscribing and turn on bell notifications to see more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.